Just touch. Touch. Center.
Zone, which was a little bit outside the off stump. He's going to swing his bat at it. First ball faced at Gaddafi Stadium by Fakhar Zaman. Inside edge and gone for boundary. He wouldn't mind that.
Gone again. This time through the offside. What a shot. 4 more.
You've done the pitch report. You were talking about what sort of total we're looking at. By the first couple of deliveries, it looks like a very good pitch. You cannot really afford to give any room, especially to Fakhar. Outside the off stump, big gap between the point and a backward gully. You've got to be very tight on that off stump if you want to survive on this pitch.
This side finds the man. He'll certainly play his shots. Fakhar Zaman. So good temperament in that Champions Trophy. Right at the start of proceedings, you might have thought that it'd be going a little bit too slowly, seemed to get stuck a bit, but things just got... He is able to just play his game. Very young still, and as far as playing international cricket is concerned, but looks like he's got a good head on his shoulders, and winning the tournament would have done him good. Gone! Guided into the hands of Hashim Amla at first slip. There's the first for Walker.
Extra bounce, a little bit fuller on that occasion. Morne Morkel was looking to poke at it, looking to play on to the third man. Edged it. Very comfortable catch for Amla. A big wicket for World 11.